Today we're going to talk about DeFi technologies, one of the most exciting projects going on right now. I'm going to talk about all the reasons why I think it's exciting. But before we do that, make sure you're doing research, figure out this project is for you. I recently just did a video on DeFi technologies, but due to all the excitement from you guys around the project, I decided to do an update video. DeFi Technologies announced in Q2 2024 their financial results of achieving the strongest financial quarter to date. It had a record revenue of $98 million USD. The main reason for their growth was their 100% ownership in the Valor asset management company that provides ETPs for the crypto industry, and it's constantly expanding. Valor was an early mover, so it's ahead of the curve from their competitors, which is a huge advantage. The company is earning 8 to 10% on asset under their management. So it's definitely awesome, definitely a huge reason why they're doing so well. But I think the biggest exciting thing going on right now is Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin. Why am I talking about Bitcoin when I should be talking about DeFi Technologies? Well, DeFi Technologies actually owns over 200 Bitcoin right now, and Bitcoin is at 65K and probably higher from the time I released this video, with a lot of experts predicting that it's going to be over 100K soon. So let's check out what they're saying now. And like I said, DeFi Technologies owning over 200 Bitcoin is huge momentum for them, and as Bitcoin goes up, the interest in DeFi technologies will go up as well. So I'm going to go over some of the website, go over some tweets, just kind of check out some of the latest things going on with this project. So let's go. Here one website at defi.tech. I'm not going to spend too much going over it since that's what I did in my previous video. I'm going to focus more on some of the updates and of course the news around Bitcoin, because again, I think that is super important, super relevant to this project. Again, if you guys want to learn more about obviously DeFi Tech and Valor management, you can. Obviously, this being a public company, they're on NASDAQ. You could learn all about what they're doing, and they're super transparent on that stuff, of course. And I think Twitter and X is a great place to kind of learn about that. They post like their financial results. You could learn all about that. But it's great to see that a company like this that's representing the crypto blockchain space is doing so well and gives people a lot of hope for just the space in general. So here are some just handpicked tweets that I picked out from reputable places like Direct Capital that kind of talks about the upside for Bitcoin. This one specifically talks about how it did in 2016 and how it grew, how October was like a great month for Bitcoin. And the idea is that if you are interested, whether you're a Bitcoin holder or not, it's a great way to be a part of a project like DeFi Technologies. Again, the symbol is DEFTF, and it would be a great time to join in. Obviously do your research, but again, if you're expecting Bitcoin to grow, which obviously graphs like this show that it is in October, kind of getting in before is obviously ideal. So then there's tons of posts like this, just kind of talking about like what they expect from Bitcoin. This one's from Marty Party. They kind of go into the analytics of it, how that's looking like. And in this specific message, he said Bitfinex says, historically, this predicts the bottom of Bitcoin more than any other indicator. So he's just kind of predicting. This was earlier in September, which like he actually predicted pretty well, because that was when Bitcoin was at like 61,000. Now it's 65. And so you could kind of see the climb that it's making. And you could actually see some of these projections that he made earlier this month kind of come to fruition. And then, obviously going to October is like a huge month. Again, income sharks, just kind of pointing out the same thing. People expect Bitcoin to just continually have a great October and great November. And then again, like I said, companies that hold a lot of Bitcoin do really well, and especially with DeFi Technologies on the good trajectory already, all this added stuff is just going to become better. And so if you think about it from an investor standpoint, when it's the best time to jump in to a project is obviously right before all the exciting stuff happens, because obviously then the price of their tokens and things like that increase, and we want to get in before all that exciting stuff happens. So again, and that's what's kind of interesting about DeFi Technologies, because they kind of have a hand in a lot of different things. And again, you guys can learn all about that in their portfolio and learn more about the Valor asset management and kind of what's that all about. But again, having that ownership in Bitcoin is just huge. and it's going to be like huge for their, it's going to be fundamental to their business moving forward. And Valor Ascent, and they're continuing to buy, even though they're at 200 Bitcoin right now. They recently bought some more Bitcoin, and I think they're constantly going to be adding to the portfolio. And I think that's just, a really smart move. So again, if you guys want to check it out, you could visit it at valor.com, kind of learn about, what they're doing, what they're invested in, some of their partners as well. They talk about their advantage. And again, remember, DeFi Technologies owns Valor. It's kind of a cool way to be a part of, to buy into a single project, but that's, really a part of so many other things that's working on it. Definitely check it out. Again, you could look into all the details, but definitely an exciting project. Definitely one that I'm going to keep my eyes on for literally the next couple of weeks, months, years. I definitely am excited for everything going on with DeFi Technologies. And like I said, from my last video, you guys seem to be too. But that's it. Follow them on all their socials. Great place to learn about everything that's going on with them. Great place to see what they're kind of focusing on. They're doing a lot of different things. They filed a specific form with the SEC. You can learn about that update in Newswire and why it's important. But again, they're doing all the right things, really growing in so many different ways. And it's definitely a project, like I said, that I'm excited about and have been excited about, and I continue to be excited about. And hopefully you guys check it out as well. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.